Good evening. I am Kalyan Chakravarti, Director of KalyanIAS.com. On our platform, we have opened admissions for the aspirants who are preparing for various competitive examinations. And the admissions are open for subject wise coaching because some students need only a particular subject. If you look at the subjects like polity, economy, geography, history, or science and technology, disaster management, environment, ecology, and for that matter, in civil services preliminary examination, you got CSAT paper. In examinations conducted by staff selection commission, you also have English, you also have reasoning, quants, pure maths, data interpretation, like various subjects are there. And all the students who are appearing for various examinations, those examinations may be conducted by SSC, may be conducted by any state public service commission in India, may be conducted by Union Public Service Commission. You want to prepare for only few subjects because on other subjects you got command, you got confidence. With respect to few subjects, if you want to join, if you want to prepare, this is the right platform where the classes with the highest quality will be provided. Every faculty member who is delivering from our platform is an extraordinary faculty member. You will enjoy these classes, and large number of you have already joined our classes and you know the quality of our classes. So anyone who wants to join for subject wise, you are most welcome. Classes are highly qualitative. At the same time, the price is very reasonable. Now I am going to show you all the details. Have a look at this. So this is our site. Please open our site kalyanias.com or onlineias.com. In the menu bar, you can have a look at this subject wise. Anyone who wish to join subject wise coaching, you please go to the menu bar and click on subject wise. If you click on subject wise, you can see Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, and this is for All India. All India is for all the students across India who are preparing for any competitive examination. So you can click on this. Click on All India and you will be taken to the next page where you can see the list of the subjects that are being provided here. You can look at this: Indian polity, Indian economy, history, geography, science and technology, biology, environment and disaster management, quants, reasoning, pure maths, data interpretation and analysis, English and CSAT. So whatever the subject you want to join or subjects you want to join, you can join individually. Fine. For example, here you want to join for Indian economy. Click on Indian economy and you can have a look at this. The validity is 1 year. So you can enroll by clicking here, and or you can just scan and pay. If you can click, you can see all the details. Once you join, please send us the information through WhatsApp and you will be provided access. Access procedure is mentioned here. Once you know the procedure, from here you can access the classes. And kindly remember, all these classes will be available to you for a period of 1 year from the date of joining. So during this 1 year, you can watch these classes as many times as possible. So that is up to you. So this is how you can start taking coaching for individual subjects, and you can join any subject as you like. And I want you to get command over that subject so that this will be helpful to you in clearing the examination. So this is a fantastic opportunity that is being provided by kalyanias.com. And for each subject, whatever the fee that is mentioned over there, that fee includes 18% of GST. So this is very reasonable, and I suggest all of you to take this opportunity to utilize this opportunity, and prepare well for any forthcoming examination that you are going to appear for. And thank you so much for being with me, and I wish you all a very good luck.